because today is our anniversary and pupunta kami sa may Maragondon, guys. And di ba kasi what it looks like, guys. Our villa looks like. Ayan, we are staying dito sa may deluxe room. And ayan guys, yung paligid namin. May mga cottages din here. So, this is what our room looks. So, this is what our room looks like, guys. Tara! So, may queen size bed here. Then, ayan, may mga towels na din. May electric fan. And ito yung bathroom namin. So, my own heater, shower heater. Then, ito yung aming toilet and yung ating sink. So, yeah. And, this is the dining table. Tapos may mirror dyan, guys. This is what it looks like outside. Yan. Meron siyang ganito. Then this one. Ito yung view namin, guys, of river. So, ganyan yung view dito, guys. Parang siya. This is the pool area, guys. Look at that. Wow. So sweet. This is what the kiddie pool looks like. Look at that, guys. Pulang. Mahogany cafe, guys. Diba ganito yung sa bahay?
Oo.
Pinunta lang. Matibay ba ito? Hi, babe. Babe.
Kala ko.
Let's go out na, guys. Kasi sayang naman yung bahay dito. So, pupunta tayo sa labas. Swimming na. Let's go swimming. Ganda dito, guys. So, nature ang atake. Yeah. Bigla ko tuloy na-miss yung bahay. Ayun yung mga glamping, guys, dito. Ito yung view natin. Diba? Ito yung mga glamping area. And outfit check. Yeah, naka-CC na lang ako na bathing suit and yung aking gym shorts. Yun, it's exciting. Bango naman. Let's swim, guys, because it's really cold. Ang lamig na water. Dapat kanina pa tayong tanghali dito. Hindi ako magbabasa ng ganyan.
Ganyan lang.
Picture tayo. Stop recording. Guys, yung water here, ayun o. Wait, dadaling ko pa. Ang ganda ng lighting dito ah. So, ayan. Yung ano dito, yung water dito, malamig siya. Pero, kapag naka-ano na kayo sa water, hindi na mararamdaman yung lamig. So, yeah. This is what it looks like, guys. Ayan yung ano na. Ayan yung view niya. Kapit tayo sa view. Ay, baka pupunta pala ako. Ayun. Tapos river view yan. River. Dumating na yung food namin, guys. Here's our food. Yung food namin, guys. Meron kami dito fish fillet. And then carbon. Monster here, guys. Oh, good morning, guys. Narinig niyo ba yung chirpings? Wait, lalabas tayo. Papakin ko sa inyo. So, guys. Look at our view. So nice. May pusa dun, oh. So, we're having breakfast na. Okay. Got my matcha, guys. Here's my matcha. And what's yours, babe?
Americano.
Americano and matcha latte, guys. So, our breakfast, guys. That's all. No. Ngayon, tumatambay lang kami, guys, here. Yan, hintayin namin mag-check out. So, 12 pa naman yung check out. Pero, yan, chilling lang kami here.